Dumpster rental service in Greater Philadelphia. If you're a business owner looking for a reliable and affordable dumpster rental service in Greater Philadelphia, Wicked Waste Incorporated is your solution. We offer a variety of dumpster rentals designed to meet your business's specific needs. Whether managing a construction site, renovations, or day-to-day operations, they provide dumpsters of various sizes to fit your project. At Wicked Waste Incorporated, we understand the importance of a smooth-running operation. That's why we're committed to timely delivery and pickup, ensuring your business can do everything. Our streamlined process takes the hassle out of waste disposal, allowing you to focus on what you do best, growing your business. We are also dedicated to eco-friendly practices, ensuring that all materials are disposed of responsibly. This commitment to sustainability is essential for businesses that prioritize environmental impact. Wicked Waste Incorporated makes waste management easy and reliable with competitive pricing and a professional supportive team. Our services help keep your business clean and organized so you can stay focused on what truly matters. Ready to take the next step in managing your waste? Don't let it hold you back. Call us at 267-899-2100 to learn how our roll-off dumpsters can support your business. You can trust our dependable service for all your waste management needs.